Welcome to FASTCABLING, your go-to source for tech insights. Now, in the fast-paced world of logistics and warehousing, efficiency and security are paramount. So today in this video, we are diving into how strategic deployment of IP cameras can significantly enhance logistics efficiency. Now, when we talk about logistics, we're talking about the heartbeat of global commerce. But with great power comes with great responsibility. The responsibility of ensuring that the operation runs smoothly and securely. And that's where the IP surveillance steps into the limelight. And we are thrilled to provide free tech design consultation for your logistic operation. And our team of experts is standby to help you design a custom surveillance system that meets the unique need of your warehouse or logistics center. So IP surveillance isn't just about recording what happens in case something goes wrong. It's a proactive tool that enhances operational efficiency, safety, and security. By providing real-time monitoring, IP cameras help in managing inventory, ensuring employee safety, and preventing theft or loss in the warehouse. And at the heart of IP surveillance are the cameras themselves. But it's not a one-size-fits-all situation. There are different types, and each with a unique advantages. So let's start with our Power over Ethernet or PoE cameras. Now, these gems are perfect for warehouses due to their simplicity and efficiency. A single cable provides both power and data connectivity, and eliminating the need for additional power sources. Now then, there's the variety. Let's start with our dome-shaped camera. Now, they're sleek, unobtrusive, and perfect for indoor use. This camera blends seamlessly into their surrounding and delivers crisp and clear images under any lighting conditions. Next, we have our bullet camera. Now, they're known for their longer cylindrical shape, and this camera are ideal for outdoor use. They stand out with their robust design, making them weather-resistant and perfect for monitoring long-distance outdoor areas. And for areas requiring extensive coverage, our dual-lens camera is a game changer. It is equipped with 2 lenses and sensors, and they can capture a wider field of view or 2 different views simultaneously, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. And up here we have our turret camera, often known as the eyeball camera, and it offers a unique combination of the discrete design of dome-shaped camera with the versatility of a bullet camera. And they're adaptable to both indoor and outdoor setting, providing high-quality images with minimal lens glare. And when you need dynamic coverage, our PDZ camera is the answer, capable of panning, tilting, and zooming remotely for comprehensive coverage. And this camera offers detail that making them perfect for monitoring large and open areas. Now, our variety of IP cameras is designed with your specific needs in mind, from Dome to PDZ, 2 megapixel to 8, fixed lens to varifocal. We've got you covered and offer versatility and high-quality imaging in diverse environments. So it's not just about surveillance, it's about providing security, clarity, and peace of mind. But powering all these PoE cameras efficiently requires a reliable PoE switch. Now, these switches not only power the cameras, but also connect them to the network, allowing for seamless data transmission. And for those sprawling warehouse spaces, long-range PoE switch can ensure every corner is covered no matter the distance. Now, let's talk about the brain of the operation, the network video recorder, or NVRs. For a logistic operation, we recommend a 64-channel NVR. Why? It provides ample channels for extensive coverage and ensuring that every critical area is monitored. So the advantages of the 64 channels NVR are clear: scalability, higher resolution support, and advanced feature like motion, human, and vehicle detection and analytics. Plus, managing your civilian system becomes a breeze with it. It's supporting by dual HDMI and VGA local video output, so it can be connected to our HDMI monitor and a VGA monitor separately to display live video content or video playback of multiple cameras at the same time. So now you're looking at our complete setup. All the cameras are already connected, and you're viewing our live video feed on the big screen monitor. Now let's break down the connections. Now these 6 PoE cameras are directly connected to our 24-port managed PoE switch. And up here we have a long-range PoE switch. This one is to connect with our PDZ camera. But keep in mind, only port number 1 and 2 equipped with long-range technology, so I plug in to port number 1. And these PoE switches are already connected to our 64-channel NVR. Now let's go over to our PDZ camera by following this Ethernet cable. Here we have a 500 meters in total, 200 plus 300 meters using a coupler to join them together. Coming over here, we have a adapter. Now the reason why we need to add an adapter, since we are using the long-range PoE technology to send the signal. However, the PDZ camera does not equip with this technology. That's why we need this adapter to send back the signal to the switch. And it is already connected to our PDZ camera. I'm sure you know that they're all in live video. And next, I'm going to show you how to pan, tilt, and zoom our PDZ camera. So I already connected a mouse to the NVR, so now we can select the PDZ camera. Now just right-click it, we can navigate through the menus and we can see the PDZ control. All you need to do is press the arrows to change the angles. And let's zoom in by pressing this plus button. And I'm going to zoom in on the box to see the words. Whoops, a little too much. All right. Now let's zoom all the way in. Now, not only you can see those little words, you are also able to see the tiniest little numbers on the box. And when you want to zoom out, just hit the minus button. And through our NVR, we can go to different places, like the playback option. Just select the channel number, the time, and the day, and hit OK. And down here, we have the timeline, so you can scroll the timeline to select the video that you want to watch. Up window. And we also have the record configuration for you to activate the motion detection features and the alarm mode. So coming to the end, let me give you some tips on the civilian system. Now, having the right equipment is just part of the equation. Placement is always the key. Ensure your cameras cover all the entrances, exits, and critical areas without any blind spot. And regular maintenance and updates are also crucial to keep your system running smoothly. And video storage. High-resolution footage requires ample storage space, so you should opt for an NVR that supports a large storage space, ensuring that your data is secure and easily accessible when you need it. So with our 64-channel NVR, you're able to equip 8 internal 8 TB hard disks to keep video files in the NVR for a long period of time. And enhancing logistics efficiency with strategic IP camera placement is more than just about security. It's about ensuring that the lifeline of global commerce flows smoothly and securely. Now, that's all for today. And if you have any questions or comment, you can feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. And thank you very much for joining us. And I'll see you in the next video.